Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wise Man. So today I'm going to show you that how to rectify this error in citation whenever you are citing using EndNote and the author names, they are not coming appropriately correct, like they are not correct. So how can we fix this issue? So first thing is that let's say I think you know that how to use EndNote and you have the reference ready with you. So I'm not going in that detail. So let's say that this is the reference that you have cited over here, and you can see that as I know this is my name, so it is not coming correct. It is coming as R as Bhardwaj. So this is a name which is coming wrong. So how to rectify this thing? So let's say you double click on that reference and you can see that now over here you can see the name is given as Bhardwaj, comma, then Ravindra, then we have semicolon, then name, comma, again surname or name. So this is the format which is given to this reference. So to rectify this, what you have to do, bring this second author down, right? And let me show you that what will happen, right? I have kept this I have kept this semicolon, but let's see what will happen. Now I will close this and I will save this, and now I will go over here and I will click on update citation. So now you can see it came R Bhardwaj and the second author name. Okay, one more thing you can do, you can remove the semicolon, no problem in that, and keep this second author as it is, and you can again save it. Now again go to this and update citation and bibliography. It will remain same. So that semicolon, if you can keep it or you can remove it, but the main thing is that the author name should be below, it should not be within the same sentence. So if you can do this, it will rectify this error if you are facing over here for name. And that's all for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman for more such videos. Thank you.